Today we're announcing the winner of the DIY PA bundle from Dayton Audio. In case you haven't caught wind of it yet, Dayton Audio has just launched their latest innovation, the Opal One, a dynamic two-way hi-fi, high-end speaker duo. Engineered with patented multiple magnetic air gap technology known as MMAG, these speakers boast precision-crafted woofers for impeccable, distortion-free bass while maintaining a very detailed mid-range response and an unparalleled auditory journey. The Opal One is in stock and available for same-day shipping if ordered before 4 p.m. Eastern Time, Monday through Friday. The Dayton Audio A400 amplifier delivers 300 watts per channel at 4 ohms, with the ability to deliver 500 watts RMS when bridged. It is a high-fidelity and high-power stereo power amplifier, and a remarkable upgrade to any sound system. Summer is approaching, and that means it's time to look into outdoor speakers. Parts Express offers rock speakers, I/O speakers, subwoofers you can bury, and of course all of the equipment you need to power them, including weatherproof boxes to keep your amplifiers safe outdoors. Start planning today and make your decisions by May 13th when our outdoor speaker sale begins. Dayton Audio put together a really cool DIY PA bundle to give away to one lucky winner. That person is John D. from Fontana, California. Hey, congratulations, John. We'll be in touch soon. If you head over to our website now, you can sign up to hopefully win a $250 shopping spree at Parts Express. One lucky winner will be announced next month, so good luck. We'll see you then.